Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a WhatsApp PC group. We start by opening the WhatsApp app or its web version. In either of the two, we will see the new chat and click on it. After that, we choose the new group option. Next, click on the contacts that we want to add to the group and click the next icon. Finally, we give a name and an image if we want to the group, and we finish the process to see the created group. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.